Hey everyone, this is the final filler for the mini fridge from Miss Felicia Sanderson. Spots 1 and 2 each get 4 spots on the main, 20 at 2. Copy the list and go live. 344. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher. 344. And we have a 7. 344. 20 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, we still have 20 items on the list. Miss Joe Dickens is on the top. Miss Sonia Sherman is on the bottom. Randomized 6 times. Did I call for a 7? 344, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spots 1 and 2 each get 4 spots on the main. That's Miss Christy Grantham and Mr. Chuck Seavey. Congrats, winners. 20 items on the list. 7 times. Did I call for a 7? Your verified code. And we are done at 3:45. Thanks, everyone.